Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be learning how to install the latest version of Python on a Linux machine. So in the previous video we learned how to do the same thing on Windows. So today we'll be learning how to do the same thing on Linux. So I'm running Xubuntu, but you should be able to do this pretty much on any Linux distribution. So let's get started. Linux actually ships with Python 2 by default, and the newer version of Linux also shipped with Python 3. However, the latest version of Python 3, let's say Python 3.8 or above, might not be available on Linux by default, so we'll have to install it. There are many repositories which actually provide the latest version of Python, and one such repository is Dead Snakes. So if you see Dead Snakes, and they provide new Python version for Linux distributions. So let's go down and you'll see that starting from 2.3 they have all the versions right up till 3.9. So what we are interested in is the latest version which we saw on python.org, that is 3.8, and this is what we will be installing. So first we need to add this repo, and how you do that is we'll have sudo add apt repository, and this is the name of the repo, which is deadsnakes/ppa. So we'll do sudo add apt repository ppa :deadsnakes/ppa. And press enter, and should be done in a few minutes. So okay, excellent. Then the next thing to do is to get the updates. So we'll do sudo apt get update. Okay, so now the updates are done and we are ready to install Python 3. Okay, now let me bring up that link once again, and the Python version which you want to install is Python 3.8. okay, so we'll do sudo apt get install Python 3.8. okay, so I already have it installed and it says the newest version is already installed, but if you don't have it installed on your system, it'll install it. Now the next thing to do, let me actually show you where these Python files go and sit in the directories. So I have the file manager open here, and you need to go to /usr, that is /user, and /bin, and you'll see all the Python versions which are available in your system. So for example, for me, I have Python 3.6 and I have Python 3.8, and I also have Python 2.7. So what I want to do now is whenever I type Python or just Python, it should bring up the latest version of Python, let's say 3.8. So let's say if I go to the terminal and type Python, for me it does bring up 3.8, but if you have just installed Python 3.8, this will not bring up Python 3.8. It'll either bring up Python 2.7 or Python 3.6 or whatever is the other version which you had installed previously. So what we need to do is we need to update the alternatives. So just run this command update alternatives and do this with sudo permissions, update alternative -- install, and we'll be doing this in the user bin for Python, and the command is Python, and the file or the version which you need to install or use is /usr /bin/python 3.8 and 1. 1 means it's the top priority. So when you click enter, it's done, and when you now run Python, it should open up Python 3.8 shell. That's pretty much it, how to install the latest version of Python on Linux system. So I'll see you guys in the next video.